Hey guys, here with a queen size bed from VECELO. This is really nice because it is velvet. We did get the pink model in. Alright guys, so VECELO made it very easy for us to get this assembled. I went ahead and I pulled all the pieces out of its plastic here. I put them all to where I could see the numbers, so it's going to be very easy to follow the instructions and get this guy put together. I'm really glad that they went ahead and provided the hardware and they have the tool that's needed. It looks like the only thing you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. You do need to measure the mattress that you're putting in because this is totally adjustable depending on that mattress size. So you can go from a 12-inch thick, 10-inch thick, 8, 6, and a 4-inch thick mattress. And you're going to adjust this accordingly, and that's so that way that headboard is going to rest in the right place and it's going to look the way it should look. So they go together really, really easy here, and they give you that Allen wrench. Very easy. All right, let's go ahead and stand this guy up. I put these pieces together with this guy in the middle. I got my end cap all set and ready. And then I also got this front piece, which is going to attach this frame right now ready. These are really nice. They're just barely tight. So all you got to do is loosen them up with your finger a little bit. You don't even need to get the Allen wrench on there. And then we're going to slide this into place. And then we'll get those tightened down. Let's get our legs on the end. They're just going to screw right in here. Not a big deal to screw them on right now. Then we're going to take this piece number 2. I've already loosened these up by hand. It's super easy to loosen. Nice and tight fit. So when you get to this point where you're putting your bracing together, do make sure that this soft tape is on the upside, so that way when your boards are making contact, they're making contact with this really nice soft tape. All right guys, so we got all of our bracing all set. It's really nice and sturdy. Now it's time to put these wood slats on. Now you'll notice there is a hole in this one, so one of the slats does come with a hole, and that is an integral part of this. I'm going to put this slat right on the very end, and on the very end there's Velcro on the bottom of these. Going to keep them right where we want them, so this is where this bolt goes through that slat, and then we'll go ahead and position these right on the end, so that way it's just on the end of this supporting board. And then we'll bring it out. You want everything to be nice and tight, and it's nice and tight. So line it up just so. All right guys, got it all put together. I really like it. This bed is great. VECELO did a good job when they put this one together. We're really happy with it. This is going to definitely serve the purpose. If you guys like one of these, if you want to pick one of these out, just click on the link below. We got that ready for you. It'll take you right to the website, and you can grab one of these. Very affordable, good, budget-friendly bed that feels really good, and it just has a great look to it. So I give it 2 thumbs up. Check it out, guys. Thanks for watching the video.